Today we're doing a really neat patina effect on the drawers of this dresser. I am rough sanding, just a little bit of sanding, and then I'm going to add my first color, which is an off-white. It's called weathered white, and I'm only going to get a little bit of paint on my brush at a time, and I'm going to dry brush in a sporadic, random fashion all over the drawer front. And I'm going to use horizontal and vertical strokes. It's okay if it looks messy and sloppy. We're just adding a distressed character to the drawer. And I'm just going to make sure I get pretty good coverage while I leave some of the wood undertones exposed. Then I do a quick rough sanding with some scrap sandpaper just to distress the paint and thin it out in some parts. Now I go with my second color, which is a turquoise color of chalk paint. I will put the link to this chalk paint in my video description. I'm just rubbing it on, as you can see, with paper towels and then smudging it by pressing it down and spreading it out. And this adds some dimension to the patina and also a really pretty turquoise hue, which gives kind of that oxidized look. Once I get my turquoise in random parts, I come back and also sand again with my scrap sandpaper, kind of distressing a little bit of the turquoise and exposing a little bit of the wood underneath. When I'm happy with the amount of distressing, it's just a little bit, I don't go crazy with it, then I'm going to add some antiquing wax. The antiquing wax serves two purposes. It starts to blend all the colors together and also antiques, which is needed for that beautiful aged patina look. I just love this technique, and I'm going to put the antiquing wax in a large amount on my drawer front, but not absolutely everywhere. I leave some of the turquoise blotches exposed. You want to create some depth. I add another layer of turquoise just to give it a little bit more of the patina look, and the turquoise is really helpful in doing that. It's just in some random places. I'm not doing this as a whole layer covering everything. I just keep doing it until I like the amount of patina on this drawer front, and I'm going to repeat the process on all the drawers. It is a beautiful finish if you like that aged, worn, oxidized look. Thank you so much for watching.